Hello, my name is Randy Dobson. I'm an instructor here in the Houston, Texas area, and this video will be covering the spline command for Autocad. This command is similar to the polyline or the P line, only with the spline it doesn't do straight lines. It is constantly a curve. And I've got a little example of what I did right here. Let me copy this over. Well, let's see if I can get this to work. There we go. Okay. So let's just say that this is the edge, or this is what I want to use for my spline. It's right underneath you, under your draw. You've got two ways. You've got a spline fit and a spline curve, and I'm going to show you the fit first. And I'm going to select the end point of this line and then this end point, and as you can see, my spline is going to go through those points. And let's say I want it to go through that point, and I want it to go through that point, that point, that point, and then close. As you can see, I've created this arc or this spline that connects to all those points. Nice little tool. A lot of times people will use it just for doing freestyle. If maybe you're doing a walkway in your backyard and you want it to meander along like that, and then you could just come in. Let me see what my distance is here before I do anything weird. So let's offset this 2 units. Let's see what that does for us. I'll just do a little bit more. Say you want to have a 10-foot sidewalk. Well, see, now I've done this sidewalk by creating that spline. Again, it's a nice little tool. Another way of using it is to where you want the vertices, which are like the tangent lines of a tangent curve. If you wanted to use this, then you would come up here and use this one right here with the control vertices. And I'm going to type in end and then end. And as you can see, I'm going end. It's using that. If I just hit enter and ended it right there, this line is actually my vertices, which makes it a smoother curve. So again, it's a nice little thing to use, kind of a fill-in. Again, unless if you're doing some freestyling, it's really nice. Landscape architects use this quite often. Other fields not as much, but you can select it, and of course you've got your grips that you can change things around a little bit here. There's a down arrow, you can change it from a fit to control. See, now I took it from this one to this one. I changed between these, so now I could set it using these vertices. So again, it's a nice little command. I don't promote it very much, but I do want my students to know about it. So try your hand at the spline and see how you like it, and let me know if you have any questions. That concludes this video on spline. Thank you.